First, I like to keep a regular journal. Taking some time every day to spill out whatever comes to my mind has been very, very beneficial. Then, I like to have a notebook for songs, poems, and signatures. Basically, just anything you enjoy that is creative, like drawing and sketches work too. I just find practicing my signature is a good way to ease my mind and be creative. Next is my daily intention. Maybe a mantra or a little saying that I want to be my focus for the day, and I swear ever since doing this, I tend to have much smoother days. Then I like a notebook for lists, any lists you need to make, like grocery lists that are easy to rip out, so I like to keep them in a spiral notebook, and I also create weekly to-do lists here. You can also make your own calendars for events and appointments or anything you need to keep track of on a monthly spread. You just create a grid with 5 rows and of course slots for 7 days, and number all of the days of the month. You can use stickers or however fun you want to be with it. Another thing I like to do is keep track of my cleaning in this method, and you can get preset calendars of course too. I like to use one like that for my content calendar to plan that out each month. Next is a habit tracker, basically any habit you want to start doing daily or need to keep track of how often you do it, and this has been the most helpful method for me to develop new healthy habits, and I really recommend it. Somewhat similar is a health chart that I use to keep track of my sleep, my intermittent fasting, my sugar intake, and my workouts. You could track what meals you have too, just create the list on top with whatever words that you want to track of on a weekly basis. Visualizing, writing goals, and positive affirmations have been very important for me for keeping a good mindset and developing my dream life, so I have a notebook dedicated to that. I also have a notebook dedicated to my dream, and whatever your dream is, maybe a business you're working on, you want to be a singer, do social media, whatever it is, I think it's so important to write any of your ideas, lists, milestones, and absolutely anything and everything to do with working on your dream.